Hi and welcome back to my channel Digital Toolcase. It's been a while without talking about ClosersCopy, but this is the day because a new interesting feature is coming in next days or weeks in ClosersCopy and I want to show you. As you can see in this screen, yes, even ClosersCopy will bring AI-generated images to their platform, and the interesting thing it will be free, or better, it will be included in their unlimited lifetime deal. First, if you don't have ClosersCopy, you can find my affiliate link here below in the description. I want to show you this preview video posted by Nico Engler about how these AI-generated images will work. It will be very similar to other services, for example, Jasper Art or Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. That's the model used by Jasper Art, for example. For what I can see, it seems to me that it's using Midjourney, but I can be wrong. This is an example with a prompt. It generates some images, and I have to say they are really high resolution, and I will let you see in about a minute. This is how it will work, and this is just a beta preview. Now, this is the ClosersCopy Facebook group, and as you can see, this is the official post. ClosersCopy is about writing copy and always will be, but I needed something new, something that sparkled my creativity and so on, and it's presenting this video I just showed you. This is the important part. We will double our server for this. The price for all our plans will likely go up, and they will go up for sure. So just in case you are still on the fence, join us. I must say now, because this feature will be available for all unlimited and superpower plans. What I understand here is that the AI image generation will be included in these plans, so if you buy a lifetime deal, you can use it forever included in this plan. This is another example, really interesting, and as you can see, the resolution for these images is 2048 per 2048. Usually these AI generated images are really low in resolution. Usually they are 512 per 512, and I'm very happy these images will be better in resolution. You can always upscale them using other tools, but if they are generated already in high resolution, that's sure better. This is another example. Here, very good, and again, it seems to me it's using a Midjourney model, but I'm not sure about this. Now, let's go to the ClosersCopy landing page. As you can see, it's saying 7 days, 5 hours before the price will go up. So this is the moment. If you like the idea to play around with AI-generated images, maybe without paying any monthly plan for this kind of thing, you can purchase one of the lifetime deal plans here in ClosersCopy before the price will go up. You also have a 14-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. Anyway, this is the Superpower Solo plan. It's only $317 for the lifetime. But for these 7 days, you can use this code Creatives and you will have a 20% discount off. It's temporary, it's only for this creatives launch, so for this promotion, so you will pay 317 less 20%. I think it's a really good deal to have unlimited AI writing, unlimited SEO audits, unlimited updates, all you can have inside ClosersCopy. You can even pay with a 3 installment. If you prefer, you will pay a little bit more. Pay attention here, it's just one seat. In this case, if you need more than one seat because maybe you have some team members, you will need to purchase one of these other plans. Anyway, you can find my link, my affiliate link, so you can have this 20% discount here below my video. I highly suggest to think about this promotion because you now will have even the chance to use AI-generated images here in ClosersCopy. I will surely make a video when this feature will be released in next days or weeks, and I hope this video is good news for you. Maybe you was thinking about trying some of these services to generate images, and now you will have this feature inside ClosersCopy. I think it's all for this short video. If you want, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you very soon in another one.